Welcome to ProFuel. I'm Divyanshi Prajapati, business representative of startup ProFuel. Here I am addressing ProFuel family, Mr. Arindam Sharma and Ms. Amisha Raj, co-founder of the startup, and our managing director, Mr. Shitanshu Raj Shukla, and our director, Mr. Krishna Pachori. Here is a surprise for you guys. Stay tuned. So, about our business idea, ProFuel.
Hello. Hello everyone. ProFuel. Fuel your potential with ProFuel. So, potential is a priceless treasure like gold. All of us have gold inside us, but we have to dig to get it out. So, the question arises how to get it out. We can your potential can be get it out and dig it out by using the ProFuel products. We provide products like ProFuel energy drink, ProFuel energy bar, ProFuel energy biscuits, and our most selling product, that is ProFuel chips. So when you start consuming our products, it motivates you to adopt a healthy lifestyle without the strict diet plans and the boring food items. Actually, in our ProFuel family, we have a saying. We say ProFuel, say snack it in a healthy and a wealthy way. Let's move to the next slide. Fuel your potential. So, from friendship to flavors. Listen friends, from friendship to flavors, the birth of a healthy snack brand. So, the story begins a year back when our founders, Mr. Arindam Sharma and Amisha Raj, came up with the idea of a healthy snacking brand. So, basically, it came because of their experience of snacking in the college cafeteria and outside. So, they decided, why shouldn't we start a business brand which is a healthy snacking brand which is tasty as well as nutritious. So in this way, hence the ProFuel came into existence. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Leading brand since 1 year when our founders have started this business. We are basically a snacking brand producing a healthy substitute for munching rather than producing an unhealthy substitute from which the market produces. So, when we have started our business, we were producing only one product, which is chips. But today, on this auspicious occasion, we are going to introduce our 3 new products in the 3 different varieties. So we were producing only chips, but today we are going to introduce our ProFuel drink, ProFuel cookies, and ProFuel bars. So these are the ingredients which we use in our ProFuel chips. That is jowar, chickpeas, dal rice, soy protein isolate, And rock salt. We are not using any sea salt because we also need to see the quantity level of sodium. So instead of sea salt, we are using rock salt, and instead of any other palm oil, we are using vegetable oil, which is sunflower oil. So these are our introductory products which we are introducing now. So in cookies we are using ghee, jaggery powder instead of any sugar or any other aspartame, any sucrose, any artificial sweetener, milk, wheat, cocoa powder, whey protein powder. Many of you are aware about whey protein powder, baking soda. Same as dry dates powder for drinks, banana, cocoa powder, whey protein and milk. And oats, dry dates powder, peanut butter, cocoa powder, honey, whey protein, milk for bars. So why choose our ProFuel? Nutritional factors. See, we don't use any other chemical enhancement, no artificial sweeteners, no any aspartame, no any sucrose. We use only organic products in the ingredients. Price factors. Our prices are very low. It is equal to 60 or less than 60. Why to choose Pringles of rupees 120? Choose our ProFuel instead of that. Healthy alternative for munching. Many of you are from hostels, PG, late night you are studying, and you need something to munch on. So what you will choose? You will definitely choose kurkure, mixtures, but instead of that, you will choose our product ProFuel. You will get a better protein fulfillment of your daily requirements. You can also eat it guilt-free without any hampering your diet. So that's it from my side. Now I will call Mr. Arindam, our founder, to further insights.
Thank you, Shitanshu, for wonderful product display. Why I choose startup? I choose startup because right now government is providing funds for startups, as encouraging more and more participants to grow or own their own startup. Tax exemption. Tax exemption you get for 3 years. You don't have to pay any tax in startups. MSME scheme. MSME scheme is Ministry of Micro and Small Medium Enterprises. It's a government website where you go and log in yourself, and now after logging you can achieve the funds. You can invest yourself from them. Bank loan. Bank is also giving you loans in private and public banks, as with the low interest rate up to 100 CR. Up to 100 CR means you can avail benefits of funding in a single span of year up to 100 CR. How much capital investment? We have invested 20 lakhs of capital investment in our ProFuel, 50% of shareholdings, registered to ROC. ROC stands for Registrar of Companies, where you register yourself officially with ID cards, PAN cards, and you are able to activate and run your business. MOA is Memorandum of Association, where you make bylaws of your companies. Credit Guarantee Scheme. Credit Guarantee Scheme is a scheme where you get up to 10 CR of funds in a limited time of span. And also AIF. AIF gives you fund for around 7 years with a minimum rate of 3% submission, around 7.5 CR. DPIIT, Department for Promotion of Internal and Industry Trade. DPIIT has given the data of a startup that has held in 2023. The issue stands for 1,17,254 startup has emerged in the year of 223. And what we have invested in our pricing strategy, I will talk about that. In pricing, we have given more 40% to marketing, focus on marketing, 30% in our production, 20% in our packaging and distribution, and 10% in operational activities. Now, I would like to call on stage Ms. Amisha.
Thank you, Arindam, for giving the insights of financial strategy for our brand value ProFuel. So now I'm going to introduce the marketing strategy we planned for our startup ProFuel products. So first, I will talk about the target audience, the market trend in this world right now. So first, I will talk about the target audience. We are targeting the audience health fitness and the busy professionals. They want to ready to go snacks. So we are targeting the audience who are health conscious. So the market trend, I will talk about the market trend. Today's market trend is that people are concerned about their health. They want the health conscious snacks or healthy food. So we want to provide them solution with the ready to go snacks, and we want to replace the junk food or junk snacks they are eating. So now I will talk about the marketing channel we are choosing to advertise our products, Profuel products in the market. So first I will talk about the traditional marketing. If we are startup, so first we will talk about the traditional marketing. We are using the media, print media for the newspaper, magazines, pamphlet to advertise our products. And we also getting the retail partnership with the stores, grocery stores, convenience stores, so that they can distribute our products to the customers. So now I will talk about the most important thing, that is the social media marketing. That is the today's trend. So social media marketing platforms we are using, that is the Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat, LinkedIn and Twitter. But most important thing is that we are developing our own website, that is www.profuel.com. But still it is under progress. We are working on your website so that customer will easily access our products and they can easily purchase our product from our own website. So we are using this marketing trends like email marketing, paid advertisement, content, and most important is social media marketing. Now I will talk about the networking events. The most important thing, as we all know, the expo events. In that expo events, we can showcase our brand, our products. So we are also networking with the events so that we can display our products to the customers and directly interact with them and get the feedback from them. So this is all about our marketing strategy we are using for our brand value Profuel. So now I will call Miss Divyanshi to give you the information regarding the product strategy.
Thank you, Amisha. So here I am going to explain the product strategy. Unique value proposition. Our targeted audience is future of India, that is youth, and also every section of the society. In the present time, we know we are struggling with lot of problems like high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity and cholesterol, which is because of very poor diet and unhealthy lifestyle. But our Profuel products can provide a good substitute for it, in which we are using ingredients like very healthy ingredients like pea protein, rice bran protein and many more product. After analyzing the competition in the market, we analyze that our competitor brands Lay's, Uncle Chips and Haldirams providing very poor dietary products to the society, that is very bad for their health, which is made up of palm oil, high sugar and proteins. So thank you. Thank you from my side, and that's all.
Thank you.